is,
Ma-
Dr. Nassif?
Manchester.
In
One of our
Manchester, right.
med spas.
So
Manchester,
he
UK.
basically is saying you don't have to come into one of these offices to get these treatments that he has designed, because basically, just to put it mildly, the products weren't out there. And he can only do so much with a scalpel and a knife and the inject. All of that is different. This is for your skin to have the skin that he's hoping it will have, so that his job can be easier and more efficient. This is why this product was created. When doing these eye lifts, he noticed everyone's skin on and around the eyes, under the eyes, above the eyes, the whole orbital socket there is so thin. It's actually as thin as a tissue. And we know that scientifically, but when he was able to look from a perspective that really no one else in cosmetics ever really gets, and skincare really gets, he saw that there has to be a better way to moisturize that skin from within, and finally created an eye cream that he gives to his patients who are gonna be actually having surgical treatments. He wants them to be using so many of these treatments so they can come in with the best possible, healthiest, most moisturized skin, so he can then do his job even better. I mean, it somewhat was a selfish creation for you, doctor, because you were like, I think I need your skin to be tip-top shape so that my work looks even better.
Well, that's really what it is. And the Peri Orbital, and has an incredible product called Vin Uplift. And as you're going to go through before and afters, maybe we can go straight to my telestrator, because really it's about me explaining everything to all of you. Is that,
oh my gosh.
So I'll circle things, but let me just talk to you about something as you stare at this. I want you to look at the upper eyelid. So there's a product that we get from Switzerland. It's called Vin Uplift. It's harvested from grapes, frozen on the vine, harvested a few times a decade. It's used to make that, the ice wine, the sweet wine,
yes,
but it's alcohol free. Now this product from it, the clinical grade product of this, what it does, it actually helps give you that lifting effect. So this is a 360 product. It plus this and the peptides and the hydrators. One, you're seeing a lifting effect, and that lifting effect will occur even once you use it. That's number one. So you're getting a lifting of the hooding, your eyes look better.
Wow.
Two, you're getting, I'm going to show you one more thing on this one before we keep going. Two, I want you to look at the crow's feet. That's going to get improved with this product. Three, when we talk about, well, hold on, let me get back to that. When we talk about the little fat pad that usually goes here,
yep,
it helps soften that. Four, wow, when it talks about the hyperpigmentation or the darker color, that actually, depending on the depth of it, could help improve the appearance of that. And if you look at the crepey skin, you are seeing the improvement there. And what's great about this, you are getting a total of 2 ounces. Usually when you buy an eye product, you are going to get a ½ ounce.
Yes.
Here, you're getting, and again, I don't know if any of these, I'll let you discuss that, are on auto ship, but you're getting enough. Let's see, you're getting probably 4 months supply. Look at the lifting, look at the hooding getting softer, look at the crow's feet getting better. But here's a big area. Look right here, and look at this. And the number one procedure we do is an upper eyelid blepharoplasty, removing skin from the upper eyelid, and a brow lift. And when it comes to the lower eyelids, you have to be very careful with surgical procedures. And again, I'm not comparing this. I mean, we do lasers for the lower eyelids usually, and we do surgery. And sometimes we do something called fat repositioning, because I love doing eye surgery.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Dr. Nassif.
Look at the before and after. Look at the lifting. Look at this.
It really, it brightens the whole face when that eye is open like that, when you have that lift, when you have that tightening and firming. And I mean, I literally said to myself when I first saw this product, I said, finally an eye cream that pays as much attention to the upper eye as the bottom. If you're not looking at your screen, come please take a look at this, because we at HSN are held to the absolute highest standards of advertising. There can be no filters, no blurring. We're not going at this with any kind of Photoshop. We do not do that. We cannot do that. This is 100% honest before and afters. And by the way, you try to buy something online or on your social media, those pictures, they don't have any qualification. They can do whatever they want. They can put a filter on. Sometimes you're like, what happened to her pores? I guess they're gone. This is real results. We are showing you real time right here in our studio. We have our model Kelly here showing you the real results of what you're going to have happen with just even 1, 2. We saw here with 4 or 5 weeks of use. It really looked like something I mean, even just with the one use, this is just remarkable. Look at the difference there. More young, brighter, tighter, firmer. Those fine lines and wrinkles appear so diminished. And this is with the highest definition camera you can possibly get. Look at that. I mean,
you know what? I got to mention something.
Yes.
I have to tell you all, I'm sorry for interrupting you, but I want everyone to look at this. Kelly, do me a favor. Put your finger just kind of up near your nose on the side that you treated, even though everyone can see it. Now look at, I want everyone to understand something.
Wow.
I want everyone to look at, remember I talked to you about some instantaneous, remember you got the temporary and instantaneous improvements in additional long-term. Look at her eyebrow, how it elevated. Look at her crow's feet and the lines in the lower eyelid, how they're actually gone right now. So this is a live demonstration of, and this is interesting, this took 35 to 40 seconds to get that result. And again, yes, you're going out to an event. One, you can see how this works. And God willing, it's going to work just like this on you. It can be something that's temporary and instantaneous. But then you have the long-term benefits of my peptides, my Vin Uplift, and the different hydrators and arguline. So this is something for all of you. When you see the befores and afters I showed you, you just saw the live demonstration. You're getting 2 ounces. And again, I don't know where these prices came from for this $49, $104 if you purchase them separately.
$53 off, I'm sorry, 53% off of retail is what we're looking at, because you're not just getting one, you are getting both, remember. And that 53% off, one of these sells for $52. People love it. They buy, they're off the shelves in his practice in Beverly Hills. People love this as an alternative to some of these super expensive and honestly sometimes not great for you things that they'll do to their face versus something that is going to be moisturizing, treating, and ultimately just giving you that confidence and that lift. I mean, that before and after, just seeing that live in the studio was remarkable. Also, I did just put some on one hand versus the other, and I don't know what happened. Oh my goodness, I just, for a brief moment, do you see what just happened in just seconds on my hand? This was like I can tell you looking up close, all those little fine lines and wrinkles there. This is pretty remarkable. By the way, has anyone zoomed in on my lips lately? Because I feel like something might have happened here when I just used his lip treatment. I feel like they got fuller. I'm not actually sure, you guys may have to see, but look, I'm taken, okay? I'm married, everyone, if you see these lips.